Hi, I'm Kayla Regulski. I'm a technical program manager. I managed the group of engineers here who are responsible for our wake phrase product. You are going to want a wake phrase that is unique and doesn't rhyme with very many things. An industry standard is to have a minimum of 3 syllables. This will ensure that you don't rhyme or overlap with too many other words in your target language. If you do, you will risk opening yourself up to the device responding when you don't want to. Start collecting the training data that will need to be used to train the actual model itself. You need a lot of variance from a good number of speakers. Think about your target language and demographic. Generally, you would want to have a balanced female to male ratio. You might want to think about age groups. You might want to think about different accent types. It's a really good idea to try to mimic that production environment that you expect as much as possible. The type of car, road noise, speed. In home, you might want to think about the size of the room, different furniture or layouts that might be possible, distances that you expect the device to be able to hear and respond from. We can really look at the hardware and device that's being used, really analyze the environment you're going to want to use this product in, and even really hone in on the target audience or a demographic that you expect to use the product. You're going to get a very custom wake word, custom experience, and positive user feedback.